Alright, now it's time to see this thing in action. See what it does. And this is pretty darn rusty, so it should put it to the test pretty well. I've got my receiving cup and my removal adapter, which I'm going to put on this end. And then I've got the big press, which I'll put on here. Tighten her down. And then I'll grab my impact, we'll spray this down so it's nice and lubed, run her in and see what happens. Here's a little better shot of how it's installed. There's a big hole here that'll allow the stud on the end of the ball joint to pass through and allow the whole thing to be pressed out. So hopefully this thing will do it. Alright, here goes nothing. Let's see what happens. Well, this thing wasn't kidding. That worked extremely well. Took her right out, no problem. Well, there's my ball joint. Slipped right out of there, no problem. And this was pretty darn rusty. So far so good. Well, the package said that it was good for U-joints as well. I just so happen to have some really rusty, nasty U-joints that need to be replaced. So I've got it installed with no adapters. Again, there's a hole at the end to allow the other cup to come through. And yeah, let's put her to the test. Make sure I'm not catching on the edge here. Well, I had to reposition it slightly, but I think we're good now. Let's give her a go. Well, there we go. I'd say it works pretty well.